Is it recording?
No. You just lied.
I wonder if we can even see us. What if it just hears us? Like, you just see our mouths? Like, we're just the whole time.
And then, no, if it didn't have any sound, and we make them like Japanese stuff. Like different things. So, you know, like.
And then you like add voice to it,
Yeah.
and it's like,
no, you don't do that, stupid.
I don't you move your mouth.
But like in Japanese to like English, you know, translations and stuff.
You're like talking to the camera, like we're telling a story to it or something.
No, I was just looking this way.
Yeah,
anyways,
Roadhouse
in Japanese to English, like the guy like is all Japanese, and he's all like, "What are you doing?" That's what it's like. So we would make up different words, and we would talk.
What are you doing?
That's what I'm saying. And then we do that.
To see his face, and then you think freaking like, oh my god. Do you have eye drops before I forget?
No. Do you need me to help you? That is lip gloss. What the fuck is time is it? It's 11:04. Okay.
What about it?
I don't understand.
Fucking. Oh,
Okay, ready?
Wait, this is gonna be on camera and everything.
Yeah. Just hold your top lashes up. Top lashes.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
Hold on.
Hold your top and
Okay,
bottom
go.
out. Alright.
Ah, it burns.
Does not burn.
Dude,
It
I'm
feels
not-
good.
Okay, I'm not asking you. I don't know if I can do this. Ah!
Dude, that was a small hole to fucking get into. Damn. Watch the pro. Oh man. Watch. You just gotta look straight. You have to focus on something.
I
You know what I'm
can't ever do it
saying?
because I know the drops coming, so I'm all, yeah.
Yeah, but like I like the drop.
I like the drop, but like,
So I tell my brain, open, just keep focused, because you enjoy this. That is what happens. Oh my god!
what the fuck? Oh,
Oh, it's so cold. It's really cold.
why don't you roll up the window? You gotta get that fixed.
What she's talking about is my window will not roll up.
I forgot we were recording. That's kind of what you're
Dude,
supposed
how
to
long
do.
are we supposed to? How long do you want to go for?
Keep
We've
going.
been doing this for 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 6 seconds.
We're not done. My crack just totally showed, dude. Like, someone was right behind me, they'd be like,
Damn crack!
but I really forgot we were recording.
Do you want a medal? What do you think that's
Freaking idiot.
This is probably in the way.
Why do you keep looking at it? You're like, it's a person. And you want to include it. Like, you keep trying to, like, well, anyways, camera. No, Mr. Camera, dude. I just wanted you to know.
His name is Mr. Cannon. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be a gay-ass name.
Mr.
Cannon.
Oh, Cannon, dude. That's why she said that.
This is if you never got to see your holder before camera. This is what it looks like. I can't even remember how you laughed, but why it was so funny, but I think I'm about to beat myself. Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Are you good?
I'm good.
You don't have to pee anymore? Or are you kidding?
No. I didn't pee my pants.
So you don't feel like you have to anymore.
No. I just got.
What are you talking about?
I felt like I had to pee. Well, I still kind of do, but I'm withholding it. I'm withholding the urge.